Welcome to part 2 of how to sound like Eddie Vanhalen's tap harmonics. I'm Brennan from Hand-Built Studios. So instead of just strumming it and tapping the harmonic, we are going to do full-on tapping, okay, with the harmonics. You're gonna be kind of like it's kind of like you kind of slapping the bass, except for like using your thumb. You're gonna use like your middle finger, okay? Again, with the G string, you're gonna hold down right here, okay? And you're gonna just the same group, 17, 12, 9, 10. Here we go. Right, ready? Just like that.